Welcome to Chad, the heart of Africa. Its rich history and diverse cultures make it a unique destination. From the Sahara Desert to Lake Chad, the breathtaking landscapes are endless. Explore the Zakouma National Park, a wildlife haven teeming with species like elephants and lions. Delight in the vibrant local markets, offering a taste of Chad's traditional crafts and flavors. Don't forget to learn about the ancient Saw civilization, adding a historic touch to your journey. Chad, a country of raw beauty and rich heritage, awaits you. Discover the unexplored, experience the unforgettable.